Hello and welcome back to Tammy's Antique Restorations, and today I got a box opening. Now I know what this doll is, and I've been kind of stuck in this little area of buying this type of doll. So anyways, I'm going to open her up. She came from my own country, Canada, from up near Toronto I think it was, or Mississauga area, north of me. So I've seen her, but she's going to need some work. That's why I buy them. I love doing the work on them. So, and like I said, I got a mountain to do, but hey, let's make the mountain bigger. Now let's see if we can get into her. Where in the world? They got this box so taped. Okay, that helps. Oh my goodness, they got her packaged well. So, my trusty little knife here. Oh my goodness, yeah. Gotta get right across. There we go. Bubble wrap. I just put a whole bunch of bubble wrap out in my workshop. Oh, here she is. She's not a big girl. Okay, we'll put the box down. And, there we go. Oh, now we're getting a little bit smaller. See if we can find where the tape is. There it is, right there. Okay, a little bit of tape up there. Oh, it's in an envelope of bubble wrap. I love those bubble wrap envelopes. Those are nice. Anyways. Oh, and she's in another one. Okay. Oh, she's just a itty bitty little thing. Now I'm going to hope this is the one that I thought it was. They did very well on the packaging. I can't believe how well. Yeah, it is the one I thought it was. Okay. This here is a Canadian Shirley Temple Doll. And the rights for her, like her mold and everything, was handed over to other countries to make. Not to, I don't know if to all. Oh, her eyes just don't want to. Come on. Come and see. There you go. Okay, she's going to need her eyes scraped out and some new eyes put in. But this is a Canadian Shirley Temple Doll made by the Reliable Toy Company. Stephen, if you come up in here, we can take a look at her. In the light, you can see up in here. Come in as close as you can. You can see, now without it getting blurry, okay. Yeah, I don't know. But anyways, keep playing with it as you come in and then hit the focus. Come in. Now focus it a little bit with the focus up there, Stephen. Up here. This is the focus right there. No, right there, yeah. Focus in. Is it working? No, it's going blurry, so go out. Okay, maybe I come in. Okay, you can see it says Reliable Canada there. If you can see that. You know, I'm trying to get out of the shadow. Yeah. So anyways, it does say Reliable Canada up there. I'm going to test her paint later, not right now, and see if she's been repainted. I don't know if this is her original dress or not. It's an older dress for sure. Look at the little things I put together here. Let's just strip her down for a minute. We won't take her teddy off of her or anything of that sort. Her little one piece there, but we'll take a look at her here. She's well strung together, like not bad, you know, for what's going on here. She's just sewing together just a little bit on the tighter side there. Okay, I imagine this is original to her because it fits her very well, and those are her original socks and shoes and everything. Now let's take a look at the dress. Is it a handmade dress? It looks like it could be one that was made by mom or grandma or somebody made this dress, but cute little dress all the same. No tags in it. No, but it fits her very well, and I'll go back on her in a few minutes here, but we're just going to take a look. Oh yeah, right on the back of her back, look what it says. Shirley Temple. So she's marked very well. So I hope you like her. This is the Canadian version of her. I'm going to test her paint later to see what she's painted with, but oh my, that's a nice little addition to my Shirley Temple collection. Now I'm going to say she's about 14, 15 inches, you know, somewhere in there, but her eyes just don't want to stay open. They want to keep closing. There we go. But you can see they need to be dug out. And I got little tiny irises I can put in there. I got glass ones. I got plastic ones. I'll use the glass ones in there. And, oh, she looks beautiful. But I got a feeling she has been repainted with acrylic somewhere down the road. Just that lifting kind of bothers me. It may not be. We'll test her and see. But you know what? I'm going to leave her for right now. She just needs a nice little curly wig right now. And I think I'd leave her for right now just the way she is. She's not that bad. Treat that acrylic oil up. No, it's not acrylic oil paint. Acrylic paint, if it is. But let's take a look at her toes here, you know, just to see how her feet, what condition they are. Those are something that, you know, like, nice to see. Oh, nice little feet. Okay, everything's there. So the toes aren't banged up or anything. So, you know, we're looking good. I don't want to, these are old. You can sure feel the age in them. And I believe this is all original. Oh yeah, she looks nice. Oh yeah, she is very nice. Okay. Well, anyways, I hope you like her. The Sleeping Shirley Temple doll. Canadian Shirley Temple. There we go. I always wanted one. I've seen them, but never ventured to get one. And I thought, well, you know, this one was for a good price, a nice price, you know, my affordability. And I thought, hey, why not? You know, it's my Christmas time. These are Christmas dolls for Tammy, and there we be. So, another one to add to my Shirley Temple collection. She can sit right beside her counterpart here, Snow White. Snow White's not looking too good here. There we go. Anyways, but there we go. She's just a itty bitty. So you can see how much smaller she is, you know. So she's just a itty bitty one, you know. So take her right from foot to foot there, and she comes up to mid chest. So, but there we go. I think she's a gorgeous little thing. I can't wait to get her, you know, restored and have her standing up in my doll collection there. I think she'd look nice. But yes, there was a Canadian Shirley Temple. It's not the same mold, but for some reason they might have had the rights to say the name, like obviously to print the name and everything, Shirley Temple right on there. So Canada got the rights to do that, you know, and but put their company logo name on the back, Reliable. I was raised up with a lot of Reliable dolls, Canadian dolls. So a lot of my dolls were Reliable and made by the Canadian Doll Company. But anyways, nice to have in my collection just as well. So I hope you enjoyed this, and there'll be more dolls coming. I have a surprise down there, but I don't want to show it just yet. You'll see it coming up. But anyways, nice talking to you again, and
thank you for joining us.
Bye-bye.